Ever felt like you're drowning in to-do lists and scattered notes? Yeah, us too. That's why project management tools like ClickUp have become so popular. But with a seemingly endless ocean of options, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. The free versions are particularly tempting. After all, who wouldn't want to get organized without spending a dime? But are these free plans actually worth your time? Today, we're diving deep into ClickUp's free tier, dissecting its features, limitations, and ultimately answering the burning question. Is the free version of ClickUp enough? ClickUp's free plan, a feature feast. ClickUp stands out because its free plan isn't a bare-bones trial. It's a surprisingly robust platform that can handle a good chunk of your project management needs. Here's what you get. Unlimited users. That's right, you can collaborate with your entire team, family, or even your neighborhood cat club, because why not? Without paying a cent. Multiple workspaces. Organize projects into dedicated spaces, keeping things clean and focused. Think of them as separate folders for different areas of your life. Multiple views. ClickUp offers a buffet of project views. Lists, boards, think Trello, and calendars. Tailor your workflow to your preference. Whether you're a visual organizer or a checklist fanatic. Tasks galore. Create as many tasks as you need, each with detailed descriptions, assignees, due dates, and priorities. Subtasks and checklists. Break down complex projects into manageable chunks with subtasks and checklists. Crossing off completed items is strangely satisfying. Trust us. Custom statuses. Go beyond the basic to-do and done. Define custom statuses to reflect your specific workflow, keeping everyone on the same page. Rich text editing. Spruce up your tasks with bold text, italics, and even embedded images. No more boring bullet points. In-app chat. Need a quick question answered? ClickUp's built-in chat lets you collaborate with your team seamlessly. 24/7 support. Even free users get access to ClickUp's helpful support resources, including a knowledge base and community forum. The not-so-free part, where the free plan falls short. While the free plan is generous, it has limitations that might hinder you as your projects grow more complex. Here's what you'll miss. Storage limits. The free plan comes with 100 megabytes of storage, which might not be enough for large file attachments. Automation limits. Automating repetitive tasks is a game changer, but the free plan only allows basic automation. Limited integrations. Connect ClickUp with your favorite tools for a more streamlined workflow, but the free plan has fewer integrations available. Limited reporting. Gaining insights into project progress is crucial, but advanced reporting features are locked behind the paywall. Limited mind maps and whiteboards. These visual tools can be fantastic for brainstorming, but they're restricted in the free plan. Free forever versus paid plans. Making the choice. So, is the free version of ClickUp worth it? Absolutely. It's a fantastic option for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small teams with straightforward project management needs. However, if you're dealing with larger projects, require extensive automation, or crave advanced reporting, a paid plan might be a wise investment. ClickUp offers several paid tiers, each unlocking additional features and storage space. ClickUp's free plan is a powerful tool that can transform your organization. But remember, free doesn't always mean limitless. Evaluate your project complexity and collaboration needs. If you need a basic yet effective project management solution, ClickUp's free plan is a champion. However, for more demanding projects, consider exploring the paid options. Ultimately, the best plan is the one that fits your workflow and budget. So, dive into ClickUp's free plan, explore its features, and see if it helps you conquer your to-do list. With that, thanks for watching, and until next time.